Alright, this is a 50C5 audio output tube. Had a heater to cathode short, which is kind of common on these tubes, but have it running at around 100 volts right now. And as you can see, it's at about 570 degrees. She's cooking alright. Well, I want to see if I can solder with this tube. So, let's get a bit of a zoom going. I can feel the heat radiating off this thing. I might be able to try the side here. Come on. Flux is starting to boil. Come on. I might need to try some thinner solder too. This is pretty thick stuff. Alright, let's try. I have some thinner stuff here. This might be a bit better. Here it is. Watch me destroy my tube tester. Alright, here we go. We're at 555 degrees. Holy crap, look at that, I can. Melting the solder on the side of the tube. Holy crap. Can we do it on the top? Yes, we can. That's amazing. That's cool. Well, it seems to have kind of stagnated at around 550 degrees, and occasionally it's arcing. I guess as the tube starts self-destructing. She's cooking. Look at that. It's like a light bulb. You can see I put solder blobs on my tube tester. Let's grab those. I'll scrape them off. See if we tap the tube. Maybe we can get it to do something cool. Actually, okay, I think for this tube it's 2, 5, 6, 7. You can see that's not supposed to be lighting up. Let's see the emission. Okay. It used to bury the needle, so you can see it's not too healthy right now. Alright, one final time. I don't want to touch it, it's just immediately going to burn my finger. Also, here, let me lick my finger. See, it immediately boils off. This thing is cooking. Ooh! I just cracked. Ooh, that's cool. And there it goes. EOL'd. Do we have filament continuity? Filament burned out. There it goes. Now I gotta let this thing cool off for like 10 minutes probably. Wow. Rest in pieces. Oh, sweet. That's gonna melt plastic. Cool, now I have a nice display for a tube. Oh, it smells wonderful. Alright, we're gonna let this cool off. My poor tester is all hot now.